Wherever you are in the world, share your aviation. Share Aviation, a network for pilots by pilots.
Right. External white light is out. Oil pressure is out. Oh, there we go. Yeah, now in the green. RPM set 1200 RPM. Our meter is charging. RT and radio check.
Okay, so I've set the volume.
Yep.
Hot instruct.
Constant radio, good afternoon, it's Golf Bravo Mike Victor Lima, request for airfield information and radio check, please.
Victor Lima, readability 503 left hand, the QNH 1009.
QNH 100903 left hand and readability 5 also, thanks Golf Victor Lima. Right, 03 is that one, isn't it? I've never used that one, I don't think.
Have we not?
No.
Well, it's not bad actually, because it means the sun will be behind us on.
Oh yeah, it will be, yeah.
On the approach, which is quite an advantage.
Right. Would you like to check your brakes?
Yeah, I can do it. Thank you. I control.
Depart now on track back B. We'll continue with Doncaster Radar 126.
Yeah, my brakes good. Okay, you have control.
Golf Victor Lima tapped into hold 03.
Have you got control?
Pardon?
Have you got control?
No, I haven't.
Alright, you have control.
Wait, I have control now, yeah, sorry about that.
I ain't letting go till you tell me.
Yeah. Parking brakes aren't changed to fullest tanks. You put hot fuel pump on now, do you?
You don't have to on the ground, but it's a good habit to get into, to be honest.
Oil pressure is still in the green. Fuel pump off.
But do remember, when you turn the fuel pump off, just look at the
yeah.
fuel pressure, because if you turn over and there's a blockage, when you turn that off, the fuel pressure may die.
Oil pressure, temperature pressures when limits, yes. Magnetors on both, yes. Magnetos and both suctions. Suction. Lost the suction. There it is, yep, that's 3 to 6, that's fine. Magnetors charging positively, yep. Suction, temperature pressures when limits, yep. RPM set. That needs to 1800 now, don't I?
Yeah, don't forget. Yeah. Always look behind you before you put the power up.
Oh, yeah.
Just in case. Again, good habit to get into.
Yeah.
Just in case something's come behind you.
Put up. Pull, check left and right. 1, 2, 1, 2. Is 4.5.1, yep. I'm just charging, yep. Now temperature pressure is when limits. Set idle. Perfect. A bit.
What does it say then for the idle RPM?
500, 700, what was that?
Good. Yeah. So that's it. You can't say it's perfect unless you know what it's supposed to be.
Yeah, that's true.
So 600 would be perfect, and it's just about there. I know it is a bit cold, so it tends to tick over a bit slow.
Fair enough.
But if it's too fast, there are serious, significant, should I say, implications of RPM being too high on tick over.
Okay.
It means that your landing length will be longer.
Yeah. Fair enough. Strobes on. PA38, do you think?
Well, we'll look at the temperature now. According to that,
that's pretty warm.
That's plus 30. I don't think that's right. So,
no.
But anyway, I don't think we need it.
Okay. I'll put landing light on.
What would be your criteria for putting the pitot on then normally?
A cold day, below 10 degrees, maybe.
Okay. Yeah, well normally it's below 5, assuming you're going into visible moisture.
Okay, fair enough.
Yeah.
Sign engine. Pre-takeoff trim set neutral. Yep. Throttle friction nut.
And of course I should have said that was below plus 5.
Fair enough.
Don't get confused with 5 below. Sorry, I've interrupted.
That's alright.
Bravo Lima, Victor India.
Well, there is a bit of a tailwind in there.
Lake, 1500 feet to rejoin.
It's probably all variable, so...
Roger 03 left hand, the QFE 1006.
I'll leave it. It's a big enough runway, isn't it?
03 left,
yeah, you don't generally need flat.
is 170, and that's 170, I'd say. That's on the 1009. Perfect. Okay, that's okay. We're on Gampston. Purchase enhanced secure?
Yeah, all secure.
1, 2, 3, that's closed. Can't be hot, 10 seconds. P38, required controls of an pushing right. PL, that goes onto Alt. And we can turn around and ready for departure. That's fine, we're ready for departure now anyway, so... Gampston radio, Golf Victor Lima's ready at Alpha, ready for departure. 03. Say again, please, for Victor Lima.
That's Roger.
Copy, Golf Victor Lima's backtracking runway 03.
Okay,
Anyone on base?
No, the door looks good. It's a left-hand circuit on 03, so they'll be out there.
Oh, yeah.
Don't have your checklist on the floor.
Okay.
Because if it slides forward, it'll go under your pedals.
Okay.
Yeah, stick it there, or it's either there or there. That's another good spot as well.
Okay.
Whichever you feel comfortable with.
Still looking, I can't see anyone on base or finals. Alright, let's go.
Because when you're taxiing out and there is a possibility you think, well, the weather's alright, but you never know, you might get caught, might get cloud. That's when these instruments here become more important, because you've got to make sure that when you turn in that everything is... You've had a limited amount of training on instruments, but these could save your neck if you got caught and you went to MC accidentally.
Okay.
So, well, you've got a chance when you're doing your turns on the taxiing out. It's a good idea to do your checks that everything is working correctly.
Okay.
One thing you didn't spot on the way out was this flag was still up. So that's only just gone off about a minute ago.
Oh, okay.
Even though it showed it was sort of working. If that flag's up, on this aeroplane, you know, you tap it, it sticks. However, it is an indication that there's no power on.
Oh, right.
So, you know, if it's flagged up, it's not working.
Right, okay, fair enough.
Golf Victor India, descending on the dead side for 03.
Turning, that's turning.
Roger.
That's left now. Alright, one last DI check. 03. 03, out there, that's it. Are you ready?
Just have a look at your checklist before we go.
Okay.
Let's see. Fuel.
Oh, right, yeah.
Oh, that's after takeoff, so yeah, pre-takeoff. Fuel, that's it.
Oh, yeah.
That's it, that's underlined. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I forgot about that. Oops.
It actually does get missed because it's sort of, at the end of it should be a separate check probably, but there you go.
I'll keep on the same tank anyway.
Yeah, that's, you want to take off on the one you've run up on, so, but the fuel pump needs to go on.
Okay. Golf Victor Lima's rolling 03.
Alright, my heels are on the floor.
Roger, wing calm.
Okay, so temperature and pressure staying in the green. Speed is alive.
4. Out of 70. Visual.
Oh, that's what I was going to ask you just before we rolled.
Can I just turn this up a bit?
Yeah, if it's intercom, it's that one.
Oh, right.
That's just right up already, is it? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, yeah, it's better. Yeah, I was going to say to you, where's the nearest aircraft? Because I heard him saying descending dead south.
Downwind 03.
If they come over the numbers, it's not bad, but you sometimes get people who join and they'll be joining the crosswind leg quite a bit further out. In which cases, you can imagine you can get a little bit dodgy. Okay, we can make the base turn.
Base turn.
Climbing turn then, Jordan, so it's about a 10-degree angle of bank. Don't make it too steep, remember. High power, low speed. Makes you know, your stall speed, as you bank over, your stall speed's coming up to medium.
Okay.
So generally climbing turns, 10-degree angle of bank, that's all.
Okay.
Just asking for a little bit of right rudder. You see the ball out to the right a bit.
Bit more to the right, you say?
You say right rudder, yeah.
Oh, sorry.
You just feel it, it's asking for a bit of right rudder.
Right. There we go.
But it's a lot better today than it's been.
Oh yeah. Golf Victor Lima's downwind 03. Brakes are off, landing carriage down, mixture is rich. Fuels on sufficient, hatches and arms secure. Your hatches and arms secure?
Yes, thank you.
Good. I'll be up for 10 seconds.
And we'll squawk 7010 just to show we're staying in the circuit.
Okie dokie.
Still got the other traffic.
It was. I just saw it turn on to base when I last saw it.
Okay.
Golf India, final 03.
Final.
Okay.
How's your wings calm?
Who's under our wing? There he is.
Oh yeah, got it.
It's going to be a touch and go.
Yeah.
Okay, car beat. Slows down. On degree flap. 17 knots.
You have to look on long final.
Oh yeah, you do, don't you? Yeah.
Yeah, you must have a good look. Otherwise, that's it.
See anyone?
Sooner or later somebody's going to catch you out.
Yeah.
It's a dangerous point.
Golf Victor Lima's final 03. And then second stage of flop.
Service wind calm. Golf Victor India, runway vacated.
Let's see how this landing is then after a month of not flying.
I'm sure it'll be fine. Not bad.
Not bad, I can't get that up. Temperatures in the green. Two. Temperature pressure in the green. Speed's alive. 60. Oh, it's climbing away.
Okay, let me have the... put your both hands on your knees. So remember what you're doing this.
Keep doing that, don't I?
And the reason you're doing it is because you're not using your feet.
That's quite a habit of mine, isn't it?
I know it is, so see if we can get you right. I want you to just steer us around with your feet then.
Okay.
And you can start the turn there. Alright, good luck to the right before we go. You ready?
Yeah, we can't see anyone. Turn.
Okay.
Brakes are off, undercarriage is down, mixture is rich, fuel's on and sufficient, hatches and horns secure, car will be hot for 10 seconds and call downwind. Golf 6 Lima's downwind 03. Gonna say final then.
Roger. Okay, you can use the aileron again now, but I'm going to get you to do it again on final.
Fair enough.
And what you want to do, just while you're going down here,
Yeah.
just a little bit of, just follow me through, so you got hands and feet on, so, you know, right foot,
Yeah.
left foot,
Yeah.
left foot, right foot, and just get that habit of hands and feet in coordination.
Right.
And this will stop you doing that. You'll eventually be nice and stable with it.
Yeah, fair enough. No problem.
You're not on your own, it's almost all.
Yeah.
All PPLs in modern aeroplanes go the same way. And I'm sure you'll make an excellent airline pilot, because that's what they do. You never use the feet. The rudder pedals are just for resting your feet on, that's about it.
Start now. First stage of flap.
I'm not going to have to slap you again, am I? That's it. Good.
Golf 6 Lima, final 03, touch and go.
Right.
How's your wing count?
Okay.
Cold, yep.
I have the ailerons. You do your feet.
Alright. And the throttle?
Yeah, you can do the throttle.
Okay.
When you watch this on video, so this is not moving at all, because when you're on it, it's like this, and there's no need, because the feet will do most of the work, actually.
Yeah.
You might sort of get that bit of adverse yaw, but... Okay, you have control, take it all.
Do see what you mean, though.
Good, one more.
One more. That's fine.
Good, piece of piece, staying good.
Yep. Speed's alive. Seats.
What you want to get, when you get home, get yourself a round tray.
Round Okay.
And sit in the chair and get a habit of doing your feet like that. It works.
Yeah, it does. It sounds like it anyway.
Yeah. Well, you're losing, effectively, if you're not using your feet, you're losing a third of the control of the aeroplane, yeah. We'll have to get you up in the Tiger, because you can't get away with it in the Tiger, you've got to use your feet. No. Well, you come to be turned, you bank it, it'll just go along with the wing down. That's a turn.
Right, start our turn.
Okay, you have an engine fail.
Nope, dear me.
Traffic to Lima, front stop. What's your speed? 70.
Lima,
Roger. Where are you going to go?
This one?
This one. Okay. So, checks. Mayday. Okay, I have control.
You have control.
And it's about a 65 knot climb initially. Traffic to Lima, climb. Roger. Okay, you have control, still got a stage flat down.
Okay.
Get rid of that when you're ready. I took you by surprise a little bit.
You did, yeah.
That's how engine failures may occur. You alright? Let's have a go.
It's a bit stiff.
Yeah, you got to pull it up.
Ah, yeah.
Just pull the hand around it. Yeah, you've got to sort of have a positive pull up with it. No, that was alright though, you did okay. But obviously the speed is the most important thing, it's the paramount thing.
Okay.
The critical speed. And getting it down, but if you can get a mayday out and just get the doors open and things before, as part of your checks.
It'd help,
It's better, yeah.
Golf Victor Lima, downwind 03. Route to front approach is down. Victor Lima, hatch and home secure. RB on.
Okay, let me just take control. I'm going to give you the last one. We'll give you a glide approach.
Alright.
So just have a look at what your judgment is like.
Okay.
Golf Victor Lima, you've got to manoeuvre for a glide approach.
Roger.
And I'll run you in, and then, well, you'll be fine, but I'll put you on a position where you're on a sort of a wide base leg. Okay. A long base leg, and it'll be your choice then when to pull the power.
Okay.
To glide down onto the runway now, because we do this. Because we do this fairly quietly, we can go over the top of the village really. So I'm going to do it about there.
About there?
I'll bring the power back to about 2100, so it's a bit less noisy. Okay. Now then, here we are then, we're on base, you have control.
I have control.
Maintain the 1,000 feet, maintain this heading. Okay. Just pick something on the nose. And I want you to pull the power off when you think you can glide in and land on the numbers.
Okay. On the numbers.
Right on the numbers.
Right on the numbers. Right, okay.
Captain Radio, hello, Mike India Charlie, Romeo Oscar. We're inbound from the northwest with 6 to run.
Now.
Hi, Romeo Oscar, Roger, we're on 03 left hand, QNH 1009.
At 70, all the way
left,
down.
1009, am I, Romeo
At
Oscar?
70, all the way down. You've got the receiver approach,
03.
You know, don't use your phone until you're sure you're going to get in.
Okay. Can't see anyone on the phone.
Captain Radio, Golf, Bravo, Delta, India, Golf, for the radio check net, full information.
I'm going to put the flap down. Golf Victor Lima's final 03.
Break India Golf, read your 503 left hand, QNH 1009.
1009 and 03 left hand.
So, a little bit high?
A little bit high.
Can you side slip that off?
Yep.
Then we call for final now.
Not going to make them numbers.
No, you're not far off. Okay, level it up nice and steady. Okay, we'll knock it on the head now then, that'll do. Up to you, you can do under a bit of solder if you want, or whatever.
I'm alright, I think.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. I think I've got into back into the swing of things.
Coming left place.
Slow it right down now then before you do. So minimum speed, then come off the brakes to make the turn, yeah?
Okay.
that sideward stress on.
Oh, true, yeah.
What happens is you turn all the fuel moves that way, and it can put quite a bit of stress on the gear.
Coffee cleaner, runway vacated. Bravo.
Okay.
Awesome.
That was good. No, you fly very nicely. Your overall flying is great.
Oh, good. Just needs to get used to the...
You must get that, because that is such a, to me anyway, I mean I'm a bit of a stickler on rudder stuff, but it's such an important part of flying.
Yeah.
And if you lose it, it's a job to get it back
final
again.
03.
Roger, the wind's calm.
Oh, I forgot to take the tacho. Just realised.
That's alright,
okay.
I don't like his helicopter, whatever you do. I get a bit peeved about it. So you put it on, put it on 13 and just make it as tight as you can too.
Okie dokie.
Choose a Tomahawk without over scrubbing it. Just don't go on the grass. That's it. You've got it. Perfect. Lovely. Good. That's nice. It's parked up without scrubbing it round or anything.
Yeah.
But it's made it a nice parking.
Shut down location. Engine.
Robbie, let's go back tracking.
Radios off.